Man, I'm so bored. I don't want to get to jail for 2 weeks. Wait, I know. I could escape jail from the cell. Maybe I should get out. Hi, Dad. I'm home. What the hell? Oh. Green cat. How dare you escape jail? That's it. You're grounded for life. Go to your room right now and never go to Chuck E. Cheese. I'm just gonna sneak. Hi, everybody. Hi, guys. My dad has been mean to me. Your dad? Yeah. Maybe she's gonna call the cops. You know that he could get you arrested. No. And you have to walk straight. Ugh. Ugh.